this question about making fun of ourselves. So, is making fun of ourselves, of like our flaws, like openly, like out loud, in order to make someone else laugh? Is this considered like placing a stumbling block in front of the blind?
Yeah, and it could be Loshon Hara. We're not allowed to speak Loshon Hara about ourselves unless it is for constructive purpose, right? So, if, for example, you're trying to help somebody do teshuva, and person says, "No, how could I? Look at me, I'm this situation," and you say, "No, if you understand, I was in much worse shape when I started. I did this and that." So, meaning it's not like the in person's mind, it's not like say bad things about him or her, but actually to encourage other person to go like to do teshuva or to change. But otherwise, like for no point, just make people laugh. Yeah, it would not be allowed. Okay.
Rabbi.
You're welcome.
No, so I mentioned the issue of placing a stumbling block in front of the blind, since if we manage, we end up doing this, which is forbidden, and the other person ends up laughing at us because we caused it. Would they be punished for it?
I think so. Yeah. I mean, yeah. But it was because of us, so we have to be very, very careful with that. So again, if it's for constructive purpose, so even other Loshon Hara is allowed for constructive purpose. If you're trying to warn somebody, like against somebody else, so it would be allowed to say some negative things, and including yourself, and not allowed. Right. So I tell you more. So in a Beis Din, there is a law. So if somebody comes to incriminate himself, we don't believe him. Right. So the person comes and say, I killed it. Yeah, we don't believe him. The person say, I set a fire to this field. Don't believe him. Right. So because of many reasons, we don't believe him. If he said admits to some financial obligations, yes, we believe him more than witnesses. So, for example, witnesses said he borrowed from that person $200, but we saw that he paid back $150, and they said no, I actually borrowed from him $800, and I paid only $150. So even witnesses, we believe witnesses, right? But this guy overwritten the witnesses. You understand? But otherwise, like if a woman said that I actually had forbidden relations with this guy, we don't believe her. Right? Because there is the long list of agendas the person might have. Okay. So, but this person, so it's another stumbling block. What I'm trying to say, that person, yeah, this. What this guy told me about himself, so and he's going to believe us. That's the issue, right?
Thank you very much, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So I have this question. Oh, by the way, our friend said in regards to this question about mourning. Friend says, I cannot recall the example. I'm thinking of it, BeEzrat Hashem I will.
Okay, no problem, yes.
Thank you very much.